Boom. All right, so to make sure you don't cut too far, you can measure. And then you take this distance where's the drill bit? Oh. And then whatever you measure, which you would keep the measurement, but anyway, you measure the distance down your depth of the cut, and then I just tape it off. Measure the depth of your hole. This is the handle for your tools. This is your drill bit. After you measure the depth, you mark it. Mark your driver to put the Time-Sert in. This is to cut the top of the hole that you drill. This is the tap for the outer diameter of the Time-Sert, and this is your tap guide. Cut. Perfect. WD-40, guide, get it nice and straight, plant your guide, use your guide, don't use this to angle where it's at, so most of your pressure's here, and then slowly rotate and cut. And you just want to keep the guide perfectly flat while you cut into it. Once it gets started, it kind of holds itself there. Insert. Should pretty much go all the way down by hand. That means it's cut correctly. This is what seats it. Make sure you put WD-40 on that. Roll it down. You'll feel it stop. I measured to the end of the hole, so we want to go all the way to the tape. So what's happening now is it's kind of squeezing it in the hole, and then now it's actually going to squeeze through the Time-Sert and press the Time-Sert into the aluminum on the sides. If there's air bubbles, don't back it out, just wait, and then start pressing again. The air bubbles are from the lubricant I put on it. And that's bottomed out. I'm at the end of the tape, I can't push any further, and then when I come out of it, the reason you put lubricant on it is because this needs to come back out. The Time-Sert stays in your hole. Boom. Fixed.